Take control of your finances. 3 powerful tips for building wealth. Want to take control of your finances and build wealth faster? Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your money game, these 3 powerful financial tips will definitely help you. First up, budgeting. A solid budget isn't about restricting your spending. It's about giving your money a purpose. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Also, track your money to help you to cut unnecessary expenses and free up more cash for building wealth. Tip number 2. Start investing as early as possible. Thanks to the power of compound interest, even small investments can grow significantly over time. Whether it's stocks, index funds, or real estate, the key is to invest consistently and let time do the work. The earlier you start, the bigger the payoff. Finally, avoid bad debt and use credit strategically. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can drain your wealth. Focus on paying off debts with high interest first, and always make payments on time to build a strong credit score. A good credit score can save you thousands in interest on future loans. Budget wisely, invest consistently, and manage debt smartly. Follow these 3 tips, and you'll be well on your way to financial success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more financial tips.